Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your devices can talk. Update the Apple Watch and iPhone, open YouTube on the phone, and sign in. Once done, check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so the watch pairs reliably. You don't need the YouTube app on the watch for basic control. The watch will act as a remote via the phone. Tap play on the phone, then take your watch. You'll use the Now Playing and remote controls to drive YouTube playback quickly. Now you'll control the video directly from your wrist. Open Now Playing or the remote app on the watch. It automatically links to the phone's active media session. Use the crown to scrub and touch to play or pause, and double tap to skip if configured. Make sure the phone remains unlocked or nearby so commands reach it. If you need precise scrubbing, pick up the phone briefly, then return control to the watch with the phone icon in Now Playing. To finish, use AirPlay on your iPhone to move YouTube to an Apple TV or compatible smart TV, then continue controlling playback from the watch. If controls stop working, restart the YouTube app and your watch, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and repair devices. This fixes most link problems. Also make sure both YouTube and system software are current. If playback is linked to the wrong account, sign out, then sign back in on the phone to restore proper remote control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.